Today I'm going to create how to create a typography effect using Canva. So let's go. Go to Canva and take a size, change the background color. Okay, take blue and go to text, add text heading, type a text. Change the text font. Search rotating rotating. Change the font and resize it. Change the text color. Same of the background color and go to effects. Take a shadow, offset 20, direction 45, direction 45, okay, blur 40 and transparency 100 and change the color like this black, okay, and this text on duplicate and set is the same place, again duplicate and again set this place and offset take 8, direction 95, blur amount 10 and color change it white, okay, and again duplicate this text, again set the same place and group all and increase the size, and here is the final result.